English alphabets.
A for arrow keys.
Arrow keys.
B for Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
C for computer.
Computer.
D for disk.
Disk.
E for e-learning.
E-learning.
F for Facebook.
For Facebook.
G for Google.
Google.
H for hard disk.
Hard disk.
I for icon.
Icon.
J for joystick.
Joystick.
K for keyboard.
Keyboard.
L for laptop.
Laptop.
M for mouse.
Mouse.
N for network.
Network.
O for output.
Output.
P for printer.
Printer.
Q for queue.
Queue.
R for robot.
Robot.
S for speaker.
Speaker.
T for television.
Television.
U for UPS.
UPS.
V for virus.
Virus.
W for Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
X for Xerox.
Xerox.
Y for YouTube.
YouTube.
Z for Zoom.
Zoom.